buddies, welcome back for another episode. Today I'm being joined by a crazy dog, my cousin, and running away from dog. Hi, I'm Landon. There's Cuckoo Dog, there's Landon, Dad, and his girlfriend is recording. Oh, I love you. I love you, Cody. I'm back here. It's why it's gold. Oh. We're watching a...
What, baby?
Why is there... There's my dad's phone. We're about to watch a movie on the screen, as you can see. There's Maniac Dog. Okay. Well, so Leo's Deadpool is it as bad as he says it is. We are back here. There's blankets back here. This is my camp. Landon. Yeah. You need to set up camp somewhere. Mine's over here. I have blankets down here, and this only triangle 3-inch something. My camp. This is my camp. 3-inch. I'm gonna get a pillow back here. It's cold back there because of that air vent. I think it feels nice. It feels nice, but like at the same time, it's definitely not warm. And so today we're gonna be running away from Maniac Dog. Hi. Stop it! You're moving my camp. Dude, we stay on your camp. No. Okay, I'm back. Oh, yay, movie.
Yeah, what is that? Don't be putting that on YouTube, girl.
Well, I will.
No.
There's our movie. There's Maniac Dog. I really don't know what to do. There's Mr. Big Fish. Big Fish. There's food. I have nothing else to say. And then here's Maniac Dog.
That looks really good.
Hey guys, someone's gonna get hurt, someone's gonna get broke.
It's not.
Yeah.
Well, I think I broke my butt bone, but...
Yikes.
Okay, he's come down. Maniac Dog is down. In camp, though. Well, welcome to my house. Meow.
Are you done?
Yes. Bye, Cassie.